This is the lamp that I bought on Amazon. I absolutely love it. It is a perfect size for the bedside table or anywhere you want a little bit of light. The base is not that big. This is a smaller one. As you can see, it's not really tall, but it's perfect. I can go to the next setting of light. I have to tap it harder sometimes. I love that. I can plug my phone in right here, or if you have the larger one, there's an outlet there. I mean, it's a great little lamp. Now it's off. I hope you buy it. Super nice. Thanks for watching.
I purchased this lamp because I don't have any under cabinet lighting because I'm in a rental. And the lamp I had there before was just a simple basic night light. I needed something that would be an ambient light, but would also go up to a full light. And this works out perfect. There's 3, 2, 3. And you can see how bright it is for working even in the kitchen. I love it. Well worth the price. You can plug in your an appliance in there too, and also for iPhone features too.
This is a review of the Fenmzee Gold Nightstand Lamp. It has a USB-C and A charging station, as well as an AC plug-in. It is a 3-way touch, so you can make it a little bit brighter, or you can turn it all the way off. And it's got different colors that it comes in as well. So you can do the gold, or I think it comes in like black, brushed nickel, and it also comes with its own LED light bulb. So I've been pretty happy with the purchase so far. I really can't complain. I got one for this nightstand and then one for the other side of the bed as well. And I have been very happy with my purchase at this point.
Okay, I love this light, not only because of the plug-in, the USB and USB-C ports that are on it that I just realized, like an idiot, I just realized are on there. Look how bright, 1, 2, 3. So what I'll do is I'll use, say, level 3 for bedtime, but then level 1 when I'm waking up to help get my daughter out of bed. So this is a beautiful light, great quality.
Light bulb and plug it in. Gentle touch. 3 levels of light. Love it.
This lamp is perfect for creating a cozy desk space. You touch it anywhere and you can see all of the different light settings. It also comes with a charging spot, which is super accessible, super great to use, and also a USB port and another one of the USB ports for either type of phone charger. Overall super cute. It also comes with the light bulb, which I thought was awesome. Really great color. Would recommend.
Normal. Anyway, fantastic lamp. Excellent. Highly recommend.
This is a beautiful lamp. I really like it a lot. But my only issue is I can't stop it from wobbling. I've tried every which way. I've tightened everything I could. I've changed the position of this thing here. I've even turned it upside down, and yet it still wobbles. I can't figure out how to stop it from wobbling. I'm very disappointed.